Okay, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to pay the ticket for my dad. We needed things like $20 plus tax for him to come. If he leaves the car, they can give him a ticket, so I have to pay. So let's go. It didn't work, but and my mom is going to put it in front of his car, so they won't give him a ticket. It was $20.55 just for us to go to the beach for a few hours. You guys saw this bikini. I posted about it before. Go all the way back, and you guys gonna see the full outfit. That's the full outfit. My bikini is under my iPad. Nice header. I posted on Instagram for this outfit. You guys can go check, and I'll show you when I take the pants off. It's a full body. The one that bad this, I think it went inside, but I'll fix it. I'm sitting down right now. I didn't take my pants off yet. Here's the hair. I want to take this off, but not yet. My mom came with. Oh, Nani! Oh, wait. Let me show you guys something. It's like a glitter. The glitter. Yes, hold on. Whoosh. I know that I'm going to put this glitter on my body. It's called Wood Vaseline Dream Face and Body Glitter. I'm going to put it on it right here. Not bad, darling. You got big, right? Got you, man. Stop it. Look. Okay, that's struggle to open it a little bit. But here it is. How do you put it? Wait. Danny, tu n'as pas de polo, bah, tiens? Tu es tête là?
Yeah.
Tu vas pas me tirer? Oh, and do just double two? Okay, I put some in my feet. Stop, she's putting sand on me, stop. Okay, is it on now? Danny, put it on my back. Is it on now? Is it on? Danny, stop.
You put too much, you put it wrong.
Stop! Okay, let me double it in my face. It don't be like, okay, maybe I put too much in there. Danny, what's that?
No.
C'est comme ça. Qu'est-ce que c'est que tu fais on me? Est-ce que non vidéo sur me? Et comme ça me fait But you put the sand on me doesn't matter now. The problem about where? She's throwing sand on me. Stop! Papi, where Danny have way sand to me? Where Danny stop? Danny ça Danny fait maison me. You see, it's good. I have some of my first. Like, I don't know. Stop, Danny. Okay, you can still see it on my feet. Stop.
Stop, baby. Don't say it.
Stop, Danny.
Only one, two, man.
Parce qu'on fait sous moi first. Pourquoi ça fait ça? On n'est pas pour être leader. She have some in her hair. Wait, Danny, come put it in my hair. You there? Okay. Let me put some. Okay, finish. Not a lot. I already started. Not a lot. Okay, this is good. I don't want to. Okay, put some in. Okay, this is good.
In your edges?
No, it's good. Okay. My mom was calling me. Let me call her back. Oh, no. Oh, no, Danny. What no,
Yeah, let's go.
Papi, let's go. Okay, you can still see the glitter. My body is slow. I'm cleaning myself. Use my towels for me to clean myself after I finish. Let me see if I can show you. I put the hair down. I don't want to get it wet, but to wet a little bit. Let me show you. I'm sorry. Not me, mom. Mati! C'est pas mouillé. Qu'est-ce que ça fait pour pas stop moi-même, non, président? My stupid. Okay. Stefan, I'm here. My phone is gonna wet. Sorry, but I'm taking a shower. Okay, I finished and we went straight to the supermarket. From the beach, then we went straight to the supermarket. Now I'm closing the video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you.